How's it going? It's the Content Cowboy, Dr. Emeka. And if you're a health expert, fitness coach, or clinician, and you're grinding those 12-hour shifts, this might be the most important video you watch all year. Big promise. You'll see why at the end of the video. So I'm going to break down the 3 best ways to make money online as a health expert. And at the end, I'll tell you which one actually changed my life and why it's probably the smartest way to scale your business in 2025. So a big question you might want to ask yourself is, why bother going online? Look, I've done the hospital shifts. I've dedicated over a decade of my life to healthcare. I've built fitness programs. I've coached hundreds of people. And while all that gave me a lot of experience, it also gave me a lot of burnout. But online business changed that. It gave me time freedom. I have location freedom, so I don't necessarily need to be in one place. I can take a lot longer vacations than most physicians. And I have income freedom. I'm no longer stuck to charging per hour. Know your worth. So if you're exhausted from the grind and you want to scale without sacrificing your health, you got to be online. So there's a couple different business models that people typically talk about. The number one is digital products. Right? Sounds sexy, right? Make passive income while you sleep. But let's break it down. Let's say you sell a $497 course. You want to make $20,000 a month. That's 40 customers. But here's the catch. Conversion rates on cold traffic is probably like 1%. So you need 4,000 visits per month. It's really hard to do without a big following or a really high ad budget. And you're also going to need really good funnels. You're going to need amazing copywriting, and you're going to need a lot of technological know-how and setup. So the upside is there's low effort delivery if people just buy the stuff and you make money. The downside is it takes forever to scale unless you're the best of the best. And if you can do it, more props to you. Number 2 is supplements, physical products. So I've helped some clinics sell weight loss meds, hormone kits, and IV therapy products, but the margins are so razor thin. You deal with inventory headaches, shipping delays, customer service chaos, and to hit $20K per month at a $200 average order value, you're gonna need 100 customers per month and over 10,000 visits. So unless you're backed by a warehouse and a marketing team, it is a grind. The upside is the product in your hand, it feels real, it's tangible. It's probably easier to sell sometimes. The downside is the high stress, the low reward. And then number 3, this is what changed my life. And here's how. Let's say your offer is $2,000. You only need 10 clients a month to hit 20K. You don't need a huge audience, you just need a predictable lead gen system and the ability to sell through conversations. So the typical process is like this. You either have an organic piece of content or you have paid ads. That's really good. That's going to start conversations. It's going to get them to raise their hand. You give them like a free lead magnet, your free fat loss ebook, your 6-pack guide, and it starts the conversation with these people. So what are the upsides? You have a high margin, you got real transformations, and the downside is you have to actually talk to people. Don't worry. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you how. So here's my take. Let's be real. Because AI exists now and you can make an ebook in like 10 seconds, it is really hard to justify getting people to pay $100 plus for a digital product. You know this, I know this, your mama knows this, your cat knows this. But if someone wants real change in their body, energy, or habits, what do they need? They need accountability, they need personalization, they need structure. And that is what coaching gives them. And because of that, they will pay more and they're more likely to follow through. So if you're serious about creating a predictable income online without burning out, tap the link down below. I have a community where I teach entrepreneurs how to do these things. I have tons of free courses in there. I have weekly trainings. So it is going to be a great foundation. These are things that I wish that I had when I got started, and I'm giving them away for free, or depending on when you watch this video, for a very low price. All right, so check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. I know that's cheesy, but I gotta say it. The algorithm told me to. All right, see you later.